Hey yo, it's 2021. It's Mr. O from MUSICHANDS. What's new in GarageBand iOS? That's on your iPad and on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. One of the cool new features in GarageBand in 2021 is the new light leaks that play on your drum set. You can see how the lights bring a nice new aesthetic color, some funky colors. These funky colors are also available if you select more sounds and launch one of your beat machines. So some nice colors that make it look funky and feel intuitive. Number 2, the latest update in GarageBand iOS also includes some awesome new virtual drummers, looking mainly through electronic music, specifically hip hop, trap, and also a bit of 80s synth pop. Let's have a listen to one of the virtual drummers. Let's turn some of the fills up. Bring the complexity to full. Let's make it a bit softer as well. Anton is one of 5 new drummers released in the latest update. Check it out. Number 3, an awesome new feature is a raft of new keyboard samples and plugins. These are well produced and sound tasty. So let's have a quick listen to a couple of these. We have a nice selection of produced keyboard sounds available, 57 in total. Check them out. The most important part about this update for me, 230 loops. It's not all killer, there is some filler, but I've favorited a few out here for you guys. And as you can hear, there's some great free samples to cut in this mix. I can hear the beat on that already. Oh yeah. Alright, here we have a beat using one of the loops from the sound pack and the new virtual drummer. Let's drop in some of the cool samples that we've discovered in the sample pack. Sounding dope, dope, dope. Not taking a lot of effort here to make these sound fat. That's a fat loop. Fat loop. I've got 41 loops that I've liked out of this sound pack, and we can cut these up, we can make these sound fresh. Free loops for all you music producers, music creators out there, check it out. That's a handful of my favorite samples out of the 230. I say download this pack and cut yourself some tasty samples. Enjoy these tunes. I've been Mr. O from Music Hands. Check out our website if you're a teacher or an educator interested in iPad music, www.musichaNds.co.uk. Got a new resource coming out that I've been working on for the past year, looking at live loops, specifically for self-directed learning and distance learning. So that should be on our website in the next couple of months. Peace.